Hey guys, it's Aditya. Welcome to my tech channel, Tech Savvy Boy. So let's get started. So friends, first news is from Amazon. Amazon tell their employees to delete TikTok from phones, then says email sent in error. So friends, Amazon sent email to their employees that due to security risks, the TikTok app is no longer permitted on mobile devices that access Amazon email. And friends, hours later, Amazon said that it was an error. You know, friends, India recently banned TikTok along with 58 other Chinese apps due to citing national security. And now the US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that Trump administration was looking at banning TikTok in the country. So friends, next update is from WhatsApp. So friends, WhatsApp user can start chat with businesses, share catalog using QR codes. WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature to make interactions with businesses a seamless affair. WhatsApp in a blog post said that the business are limping back to normalcy. So friends, WhatsApp has introduced some new features for businesses using QR codes that would help in starting a new chat, easy way to contact with the customers, the feature to share catalog link, a sticker pack especially for businesses. So friends, next news is from Truecaller. Truecaller is disappointed with Indian Army's decision to include app in list of 89 banned apps. So friends, Indian Army has banned 89 apps including Truecaller to its army personnel. So friends, reason of Truecaller being banned was that exponential increase in number of military personnel being targeted online by intelligence agencies of Pakistan and China. Truecaller said that it is injustice to us as majority of our Truecaller workers are Indian and it does not upload phone books or sell any user data. Friends, next update is from Qualcomm. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus launched first SoC to breach 3 GHz barrier. It is based on ARM's more recent offering which helps it to clock at 3.1 GHz. It is 10% faster as compared to its predecessor Snapdragon 865. And friends, you are going to see this processor in Asus ROG Phone 3 and Lenovo's Legion gaming smartphone. Next update is from LinkedIn. LinkedIn sued for spying on users with Apple devices. Friends, you all know Apple most recent mobile operating system iOS 14 is on beta stage. So friends, LinkedIn application was secretly reading users' clipboard and was drawing information from other Apple devices. Next update is from Google. Google removes 11 apps from Play Store infected with Joker malware. So friends, Joker malware steals money from users by subscribing them to paid subscription without their consent. It first stimulates interaction with ads without users' knowledge and then steals the victim's SMS including OTP to authenticate payments. So friends, here's the list of 11 apps that are infected with notorious Joker malware. If you have any of these apps installed, please do uninstall them. Last update is from Apple. Apple supplier Foxconn said to plan 1 billion investment in India. The move, the scale of which has not previously been reported, it is a part of quite and gradual production shift by Apple away from China. Foxconn planned investment in Sri Perumbar plant where Apple's iPhone XR is made some 50 km west of China will take place over a course of 3 years. Thank you for watching friends. For more amazing tech updates, like, share and subscribe. And if you want video on any content or have any query related to the video, drop comment in the comment section.